Hi, I'm Laura Ashton Gavin from FB. Um, People were messaging me asking me if I was Alexia Zimmerman. I'm not Alexia Zimmerman. I'm Laura Downey. I'm 18 years old, and I don't know how old she is, but she has really good music, and I've heard that y'all been hating on her, so don't do that. I also saw on a couple of my posts on Tumblr and YouTube and stuff that I was fake and I'm not real and other people are pretending to be me and I'm making this video because I am real and I'll link down my official account on the bottom of this video when I'm done. You guys can follow me or you guys can add me on it. It's on FB. But yeah, the Blacklist to me is one of my all-time favorite bands. I listen to them every day. I sing to them every day. And yeah, I can kind of sing. I found out off the camera. And yeah, if you guys want to know anything about me and see if I'm real or not, just add me in the link somewhere below, and I'll make more videos. I can do whatever you guys call me. I have some of my friends here, and my boyfriend here, and we can do some weird challenges if you guys want. Just name it and we'll do it. So I guess I'll talk to y'all later because I gotta go anyway. So bye.